Hello, my name is Altaf. So today is the last day of Zoom Marathon Challenge Season 4, or it's 26th day of Zoom Marathon Challenge Season 4. So it's first Zoom Marathon Challenge which I completed successfully. Last three I didn't complete it. So my name is Altaf Khan, as you know already. So I student of the Masai School, which is coding school, and my student coach is 1247, which is the Web 21 as student coach, and my education qualification, like I completed certificate of ITI in electrical engineering, and then I completed polytechnic diploma in electronics engineering. Then I applied for Masai as MSET. Then I cleared my MSET and I am enrolled in the Masai school. So in the Masai school, I learned lots of things, that HTML, which is the structured language of the HTML page or web page, and then style sheets for the HTML, which is give styles to the HTML pages. HTML is the structural language, and CSS is the style sheet for the structural language of web pages. So then I learn about the JavaScript in the Masai school, which is JavaScript is the engine of a website, which like car has engine or vehicle engine. So it's like that's like of things which provide interactive things to the web pages, like after clicking button what will happen. Then in the Masai I enrolled for the backend development. So basically I want to become a backend developer, so I enrolled for the backend development. So in the backend developer development course, I learned about the Node.js, which is the runtime environment for JavaScript. Before Node.js, JavaScript only runs on the browser. In the Chrome, it's V8 engine, which is run the JavaScript in the browser. So after Node.js, we can run the JavaScript in the our local computer or local system. So it's called Node.js. Then I learned about the Express. Express is making API and interacting with the databases language. So we can say that Express is help to make us to API and interact with database, fetch API, that type of things. And other option for making APIs, we have HTTP. So I learned about HTTP and Express in the Masai school. Then I learned about the database, which is MongoDB, and I learned about also Mongoose and MongoDB at last, which is the online database. So of MongoDB. So MongoDB is basically NoSQL database. So that's all thing I learned about in the Masai school. And in DSA I learned about the data structure, like what are array, 2D array, 3D array, and stacks, queue, recursion, backtracking, that type of things I learned in the Masai. So I want to say that Masai school is the best coding school in the beginner perspective, or in the like that it can every student can start from the scratch, because coding school of Masai school is coding school, which uh, which uh, which teach us to from the scratch, like no coding expertise required to join the Masai school. So Masai school teaches from the scratch. Just like that, a 12th class student can join the Masai and can get job, or can get his dream job. So that's all about the Masai school journey. And I learned about the DSA course, which I told you. And I also learned about the communication skills, which is the how to interact with the people, how to give interview, that type of thing, communication skill, CSBD skills, that type of things, power skills I learned also in the Masai school. So that's all my Masai school journey. And I also know the Python before joining the Masai school. I also explored about the Python. I know how to make a backend with Python and Django framework, which is web application development has framework of the Python. And in JavaScript, I learned about Node.js, which is the framework or library to make backend development. So that's all about my journey, my introduction, all the things. Thank you.